the National Assistant Secretary. Want to know the significance of this great fire that we have here?
Today, this evening is a very memorable and a historical night for all OPSA, that is all past students of Odorgonno SHS School.
Can I have one? There's it. Can you see how brightened it is? Wow. Oh, it's going low. Okay, Nancy, what are your expectations for this program?
I want everyone to go home safe.
Everyone to go home safely?
Yes.
Is that all that you expect?
Yes.
Really? Safely?
Yes,
okay.
And also everyone to enjoy.
Enjoy. So she's saying she wants everyone to enjoy and also everyone should go home safely. So Nancy, do you think this program has been the biggest and the most exciting ever in the school?
Yes, to me I think so. I think this sort of experience in OSSA.
She's saying that this is one of the most exciting programs that she has ever experienced in Odorgonno, Great OSSA. So Nancy, do you have anything to tell your friends in other schools and those even at home waiting to come to SHS?
Yes, I want to tell all JHS students that whenever they want to choose a school, they should look for the mission and the vision of the school so that they will know what they are going to do in that school. Yeah.
Okay. So you, those in JHS, she said look for the vision of the schools before you choose and what you want to do in the school. So nice having you on the program, Nancy. See you tomorrow again. Bye bye.
Yes, I think this is the most very good program that I've experienced in this school.
Wow.
We all say that all work and no play make Jack a dull boy. Okay. We all know. So this program, in fact, people are releasing stress. Okay. And it's a very nice educative program. Okay. That I think after this program, people are going to get the energy to study their books. Okay. Because in everything when you learn, you need to excite and then release some stress. Okay. So I think after this, people are going to study hard. Okay. And then get the 8 A's, our aim for this year, WASSI 2020.
Okay. So what are your expectations? What do you expect from today up to tomorrow? I learned tomorrow is the birthday of Odorgonno Senior High. So what are your expectations? What do you expect that at the end of this 80th anniversary, what do you expect to see in the academic aspect and in the life of the students as well?
I think at the end of this program, most students are going to excel. I expect that they excel in their academic performance. Okay. And then also with the old students coming closer to us or coming to join us in doing these programs, we are going to learn from them and then also ask them how they were able to pass to the university. And also this is going to help us to also move to the next level. That's the university.
Wow. That is a great one. We have in Dominic here. He said for this year he expects that good academic performances will approve in the school. And also we want to know, Dominic, this is a simple one. Those in the gold, or I think the gold track is at home, right? So if you want them to watch this program, I want you to educate them to follow my shsrank.com. Do you get it? So all on all the social medias, they can get us there. So you are just going to tell them, those at home and even those who are yearning to come to Odorgonno Senior High as well, okay?
I think my goal students, that's the Form 2 students at home, I want you to go to our social media platform, myshsrank.com, and also watch this such wonderful program so that you take Odorgonno to the next level.
Okay, that's a great one having Dominic here. Said what? Follow us, myshsrank.com. We are all on the social medias. We have YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, as you can see on my beautiful shirt. So you just follow us and subscribe to our videos on YouTube as well. So thank you, Dominic. We'll have you again tomorrow, God willing. Okay, bye-bye.